Hi everyone, in this video raster transformations. Right? Why we need this raster transformations? In the previous video we have learned transformations, that is the basic transformation, translation, rotation and scaling. And we all know the picture definitions or the picture descriptions, it will be stored inside my frame buffer. Right? And why I go for this raster method is to bypass some of the transformations, right? So raster methods is nothing but functions that can directly manipulate the arrays that is stored inside my frame buffer, right? The raster methods or raster operation is the functions that directly manipulate the array that is stored inside my frame buffer. And this raster method, it is used to bypass the transformations. That is, I can achieve the transformations by using these raster methods. Raster methods, we are having few functions. By using these raster methods, right, I can achieve the basic transformations, right? We can see functions that manipulate rectangular pixels are called raster operations, and moving a block of pixel values is known as block transfer. First basic transformation what we have studied is translation, and you all know translation is displacement, moving from one place to another place, right? This is a transformation. Now we can see how we can achieve this transformation using a raster operation, right? And you know what is raster operation? It is a function or it is a method that is used to perform the transformations, that is used to perform the basic transformations, right? So first transformation is translation, right? Displacement is moving from one place to another place. For this, the corresponding raster function is GL copy pixel, right? And the first four parameter determines the block I have to move, right? And among this first four pixels, the first two is lower left corner of my block, width of my block, height of my block, right? And the fifth one is GL color, that is I have to copy the color value, right? So what I have, well, now using this GL copy pixel, I can copy a block of pixel from source to destination, right? Now I have achieved my translation transformation. Translation, you know, displacement, moving from one place to another place. So that transformation I can achieve using this raster function. The next is rotation, right? To perform rotation, what I have to do is like first store the block of pixel in an array, then do some rearrangements in the array, then again store the block of pixels back to frame buffer. That's what I have given in this slide. Save the block in an array, rearrange the elements and again place it back in the frame buffer. Now what is the first step? I have to store the block in an array. For that I have to read the pixels. So the corresponding raster operation is GL read pixel, right? Here again the first four parameter is lower left corner of my block, width of my block, height of my block. What I am going to save in an array, right? RGB, right? And this is a color array. In this array I am storing it. Then I will perform some rearrangements in the elements. Once rearranging is over, I have to store this back in my frame buffer, placing it back in the refresh buffer or frame buffer. For placing it back, what is the function? GL draw pixel, right? Coming to this slide, we can see this is the original array, right? I have read this array stored in an, this is the original block, I have read it and stored in an array. Now I am rearranging the array values. This is for 90 degree original, 90 degree rotation original, 180 degree rotation, right? Once the rearranging is over, again I have to place it back inside the frame buffer. Next is GL pixel zoom. This is for performing the scaling transformation. Scaling, either I can increase the size or decrease the size. This Sx and Sy are the scaling factor along x-axis and y-axis. If Sx and Sy value is greater than 1, I am increasing the size. If it is lesser than 1, I am decreasing the size. If it is a negative value, I can perform reflection transformation. Right? So once again, I'll go through this. Why I need this raster transformation? Raster transformation is using raster methods. I can bypass the basic transformation. Otherwise, I can achieve the basic transformation using raster operations. What are raster operations? Functions that manipulate the array inside my frame buffer is known as raster operations. Right? So the first we have studied, for translation, the corresponding raster method is copy from source to destination. Next is for rotation. Right? What I can do, I have to read the block of pixels in an array, rearrange it, again store it back inside the frame buffer. Right? And for scaling, it is GL pixel zoom. Thank you.